Yeah. What started out as a morning of fishing turned into fucking, we're overhauling the old fucking Prince craft because of a fucking NAV light with a fucking faulty connection. Thanks, Don. The old 50's not cruising in the dark today. Should've just waited for sunrise. Bunch of goofy fuckers over here thinking we know what we're doing. I took a boat apart once a bunch of times.
Can't say so much about putting it together, but we took it apart.
Fuck. We can hide the screws when we're done.
I'd almost say just get our 2 wires and we'll just pull the new wire back here.
Yeah, well, we already got the panel out now. Might as well fix it right.
A day late and $1 short, huh?
Where's the other screw at?
I've got them over here.
You're putting them
All in
together
one pile.
because I'm trying to put them as far apart as I can.
I know. I saw that.
I was like, what did I do with the first one? Oh fuck, we're 3 screws in now. I'm trying to make a YouTube video about why we're not fucking fishing. Fucking dogs are having the ball.
This is where they do.
Aaron's chasing
They
screws.
fucked up.
God damn. Fucking this one screw. Right? You hear it? I can touch it.
Told you, Bob, all you need is that fucking right angle
I
screwdriver.
can touch it. Oh, we go to hell. We got the panel loose now. Oh no, we lost the screw. Okay. Yep. It's not going back together the same. It's not going to float after this. Oh man, he put
Oh
the
no.
little buttons. Because he had a bunch of Visqueen, that real thick plastic stuff.
Yeah.
He had it to the bimini top and all around it because we were up in Colorado in the lakes. You know, up there in the mountains, every day they get the white capping.
Yeah.
And he tried to keep the water off of us, but we'll not put that one back in, I don't know. Or this one, because they're just kind of decorative, I think. They're a Don Landeck touch. We don't have the old waterproofer Visqueen anymore. The old waterproofer 60,000 for the 11-mile trips. Oh, one screw there, one screw there, one screw up there, one screw right there.
And this one's stripped.
No.
Yeah.
No. Where's my nail bar? What the fetch? Golly. Dude. I don't think I can strip that anymore.
No. That's about as stripped as it gets.
You think a square one will fit in there or a flathead better?
I'll grab one of each.
I got them both. We're not bow fishing today. Alright. I don't know if I got the right size here. My 46,000 screwdriver. Size nail bar. Holy crap. Alright. Just bring them all. Go. Alright, what do we like here? Something to fit a stripped out screw. And you are it. First try. What are the odds of that happening? Brute strength. Here, you finish it. I don't want the glory of that one. I done winked her. say? She'll wink. She'll slither or something like that. We coming? Oh yeah. It's gotta make a blister on the palm. That's all it takes. Start a fire the old-fashioned way.
It won't be the first.
We're gonna have to fucking get a new screw to replace that one. Fuck, dude. She ain't been apart in a while. Since Princecraft, we're gonna have to get the old caulking gun in, I think. Waterproofer. Long-winded, huh? Did you get it? Fuck, it's there. Oh, golly. Oh, I think I built a raindrop. What the fetch?
I'm ignoring it. It didn't happen.
What is that? That's that good stuff. Oh man, there's another raindrop. It's raining. Alright, we found the hole. They put enough in there to wire the Titanic, didn't they?
Dude, I'm betting it's the back of the switch.
You fucking would be right and shit the first time and shit. What the fuck? We're gonna have to look at the radar. Alright. Take that switch apart
Well, they're exposed on the back. You just need to crawl up under there.
and test it.
Yeah. Test it. Look and see if it's still broken wires, loose connections.
Huh. Man, it's fucking raining. What the fuck?
Oh, fuck yeah.
What?
We're probably not going to be out on the water at about 8, 9 o'clock.
What was that? Oh man, we were trying. What? We were trying to fix the nav lights and shit. We're gonna get rain all day. Oh man. What the fuck?